We're exploring biodiversity. Biodiversity is important for a healthy ecosystem. The rainforest is home to incredible biodiversity. Biodiversity loss affects food security worldwide. Scientists study biodiversity to understand ecosystem changes. Preserving biodiversity helps combat climate change effectively. Urbanization poses a significant threat to local biodiversity. Conserving biodiversity is crucial for sustainable development goals. Establishing protected areas helps maintain regional biodiversity levels. Biodiversity underpins the complex interactions within an ecosystem. For exploring ecosystem, the forest is a thriving ecosystem with diverse wildlife. Pollution can have severe impacts on the marine ecosystem. Each organism plays a vital role in the ecosystem balance. Climate change is disrupting ecosystems around the globe. The Amazon rainforest is a complex and dynamic ecosystem. Conservation efforts aim to protect vulnerable ecosystems from destruction. Biodiversity loss poses significant challenges to ecosystem resilience. Ecosystem services are essential for human survival and well-being. Urban development often leads to fragmentation of natural ecosystems. We're exploring photosynthesis. Plants use photosynthesis to create their own food. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Without photosynthesis, life on Earth would be very different. Chlorophyll plays a crucial role in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs mainly in the leaves of plants. The process of photosynthesis converts solar energy into chemical energy. Increased levels of photosynthesis can help reduce atmospheric carbon dioxide. Research in artificial photosynthesis seeks to replicate natural processes for clean energy. Understanding photosynthesis allows scientists to enhance crop efficiency and yields. We're exploring conservation. Conservation of forests is crucial for wildlife. Water conservation helps prevent droughts and water shortages. Many organizations promote conservation to protect endangered species. The conservation of historical landmarks preserves cultural heritage. Energy conservation reduces electricity bills and aids the environment. Conservation efforts often require collaboration between governments and NGOs. Conservation strategies must adapt to climate change challenges. Conservation of biodiversity is essential for ecosystem resilience. Innovative conservation techniques can mitigate human impact on nature. We're exploring habitat. The rainforest is a habitat for many animals. The polar bear's natural habitat is the Arctic. Destruction of habitats is a major environmental issue. Wetlands serve as a crucial habitat for migratory birds. Many species thrive when their natural habitat is protected. Urban development often disrupts natural animal habitats. Restoring damaged habitats requires extensive ecological knowledge and planning. Ecologists study how different species interact within their habitats. Climate change is causing habitat shifts and species migrations. We're exploring sustainability. Sustainability is important for our children's future. The company focuses on sustainability in product packaging. We need to adopt sustainability practices in schools. Sustainability is essential for long-term economic growth. Governments should provide incentives for sustainability efforts. Sustainability in urban planning improves quality of life. Corporate sustainability reports can influence investor decisions. Strategies for sustainability can mitigate climate change impacts. The relationship between technology and sustainability fascinates scholars. We're exploring pollution. Pollution in the city has increased recently. Factories must reduce their pollution levels. Noise pollution affects our quality of life. Marine pollution threatens many aquatic species. Air pollution is a major contributor to climate change. Pollution control measures are necessary for sustainable development. Emerging technologies could significantly reduce environmental pollution. The cumulative effects of pollution have long-term impacts on human health. International agreements are crucial for addressing global pollution challenges. We're exploring climate change. Scientists say climate change is causing more storms. Climate change affects animals and their natural habitats. We must act now to combat climate change. Researchers study the impacts of climate change on agriculture. Climate change is a serious threat to coastal cities. Climate change leads to rising sea levels worldwide. The Paris Agreement aims to limit climate change effects. Scientists warn that climate change may trigger more natural disasters. Innovative technologies are crucial in addressing climate change challenges. We're exploring endangered species. The panda is an endangered species. Many organizations work to protect endangered species. Parents teach kids about endangered species at the zoo. Climate change poses a risk to many endangered species. Conservationists met to discuss endangered species protection strategies. Endangered species are often found in rainforests and oceans. Loss of habitat greatly affects endangered species populations. Researchers published new findings on endangered species recovery programs. The International Summit focused on global endangered species policies. We're exploring renewable resources. Solar panels use renewable resources for energy. Wind turbines are built to harness renewable resources. Using renewable resources helps reduce pollution. Investing in renewable resources is crucial for sustainability. Many countries are shifting to renewable resources for electricity. Renewable resources can help combat climate change effectively. The integration of renewable resources into the grid poses challenges. Research in renewable resources is advancing rapidly with new innovations. Policy frameworks are needed to support the growth of renewable resources.